All right, we have made quite the progress when it comes to the branching combo path. So if I am standing still and I light attack, then I only have a 3 move combo. Light attack, light attack, light attack. But if I move forward, light attack, heavy attack, heavy attack, light attack. Oh, I messed it up. Alright. Light, light, heavy, heavy, light. Oh, that heavy after that light is such a small window because it's so fast. Alright, one more time. We got this. Let's go. There we go. Heavy, heavy there at the end. We get a 7 move combo. If I heavy attack while standing still, I do that little forward spinning attack. And if I move forward and heavy attack, I do a shoulder bump. They both lead to the same combo though. So I've got this starting point. One, two, oh, actually. So we want to heavy into 3 lights. Okay, and then we go forward heavy into 3 lights. And so it's the same combo with 2 different starting points. And, yeah. Let's see. That's the wrong attack right there. But, yeah. And then, we can come in here. Oh, I'm going to shoulder bump you. Do a little combo. Oh. That was fun physics. There we go. And now he has fallen dead. Dead on the ground. I'm in the process of adding the health bars over, but I don't know. It's kind of exciting when they don't have a health bar. I'll make a toggle for it. You can play without health bars. But yeah. So if we look at the code, well, not the code. We'll look at the interface for the code. This is the combo tree, and this defines all of the paths. So here is a combo node, and so basically, we're picking a node, and then we have its branching paths. So the 7-chain combo, the first attack, combos into the second attack with a light attack. And 2 is going to chain into the 3 with a heavy attack. And so we've got light, heavy, and skill, and all of this gets parsed in the code. And so all I gotta do is save this combo tree with all of these animation resources. Dude, okay, the animation resources are beautiful. And so I define the animation name here. I give it the ID. This is how I tell the animation tree which animation I want by its combo ID. And then each weapon has its own poise damage and its own poise health. And so we can create modifiers for specific attacks. So if I want this to have like double poise health or, like half poise damage, I can edit those modifiers here. And then we've got the combat window frame. So I went by a frame by frame axis like Souls. You can do FPS or seconds. And so I've just got all these animations at 60 FPS, and I've got snapping on, and I just figure out which frame I want. But yeah. And then so we have the hitbox. So what frame does the hitbox become hot? And when do we make it unhot, right? When do we turn the hitbox on for damage? When do we turn it off? The hyper armor. When do we want the hyper armor to start? When do we want the hyper armor to end? We even got parryable frames. I'm not using any of the parryable frames right now, but this is for a later date. And so, yeah, the combo tree and the combo branches, they all point to these attack data nodes. And then we have the combo manager. So we've got the main tree here, but then we also have all of the starting points. And I could get as absolute custom as I want with this. I could just keep adding these different little starting points all day. But we've got, a good round fundamental. I added aerial heavy starter. I don't know if I'm going to have a aerial heavy starter. It might just be an aerial light starter, but I'm going to get some other animation packs and do the things. But yeah, and so these are all the starting points. And so my code in the idle light stance, whenever I hit the attack, if I'm walking forward and I do a light attack, it's going to hit the walk light scenario. And same thing for sprint, my sprinting light and heavy attacks throw in right here. And yeah, these are the combo nodes, right? And so, or the attack data nodes, I should say. And the combo tree knows what each of these starting points go into. And so we've got a pretty linear progression with all of the combos right now because it's pretty simple. But just to give a live demonstration, because that's what we like to do. F it. We'll do it live. All right. You ready? Let's do this. So we're just gonna get combo. This combo 4, 3, 2, 1. This should be combo 4, 1A. Combo 3, 2. So combo 3, 2. So we light attack, and then we get another light attack into combo 3. And so if we come over here, we're already on combo 3. Look at that. And so we've got this kind of position. We can come over here and see if we can find any animations that start around there. That would make sense. That one's not far off. That one's not far off at all. And so, yeah, we can add this extra swing right here. So we're going to get attack 7, combo 4. So what we'll do is we'll add an element. We'll make a new combo branch. And we'll choose the heavy attack. And then we'll find combo 7, number 4. And drop that in there. And now, standing still, we'll be able to do light, and then a heavy. So 3 light attacks and a heavy attack. And if we test this code out, which we will see. Alright, so you got to be standing still, right? So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's see. What's going on here? Combo 3, 2. Branches. It's got a heavy branch. Combo 4, 7. Not getting any debuggers. It might. Oh, you know what it is? So we've got to come over here to combo 3. And combo 3. So the combo window frame I thought it was going to be different than that. Combo 3. So yeah, about 30 should be good. Let's change this to 30. 22 is a pretty small window in here. Okay, and let's give this another try. It's probably just a timing issue. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Everything's been working perfectly so far. This is what happens when you do something live. Um, combo node. Combo 3. Oh, oh, okay. So this is absolute user error right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and then delete it. And then we're going to add a new combo node. Because so what it was light attack, heavy attack. But I want 3 light attacks and a heavy attack. So that's the mistake that I made. So we're going to do combo 3, which is the last one. And then we're going to add an element, add a new combo branch, and actually, I think we can paste little combo branch. So yeah, heavy. So now we'll be able to do 3 light attacks and a heavy attack. There we go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woohoo! Yeehaw. And that's how you make branching combos. And so another thing too is certain combos have like skill unlock. So if I only want you to, like, so say, the 3 combo and the 7 combo. The first 3 attacks are actually very similar. But say I have a 3 attack combo and I want there's a skill in the game that adds a 4th attack into this combo. So you upgrade your 3 combo into a 4 combo. I could go and I could type the ID for the skill that's required for this to play, so it'll only play it if you have the talent points allocated to expand your repertoire. This is going to be really important for things that use the skill button. But yeah, this sucker works. It's extensible. Now all I gotta do is build out these attack data nodes, and they'll contain all of my poise frames, my hyper armor frames, my parry frames, my hitbox frames, and the code, is just set to take these pieces of data and work. So it's very modular, very extensible. If I want a different class with a different weapon, all I need to do is load a different combo tree into the combo manager, and to swap out the rig, I actually moved the combo manager into the rig. I'm going to move it back into the character because the combo tree is so easily swappable. Uh, but yeah, and so if I want to like create a character, I just put that class's combo tree in the combo manager, and then I'm just gonna pop in a new rig. I'm gonna have a rig for each character, because the bone animations, or the bone attachments, I'm sorry, and the animation player are going to be very unique. So, the mage class is going to have all the mage animations in their animation player. They're going to have different bone attachments. They're going to have like different hitboxes. So I've got a hitbox for the weapon and the shoulder. Katana, I need a hitbox for the weapon and the foot. A fighter class, I'm going to need like a hitbox for each hand and a hitbox for each foot. So yeah, the hitboxes for the classes and their different fighting styles is going to be different. It's going to require different animations. So I'm just going to plop in a rig and swap out the and actually, if I keep the combo manager in here, I really don't need to swap it out. I'm debating whether I should keep the combo manager in the rig or in the character. Um, I don't know. I really could be swayed either way. Because the combo manager deals with the skeleton, the animation player, the bone attachments, the hit boxes, and all of that related stuff. And yeah, all you got to do is swap out a new combo tree, but that combo tree is, designed to work with a specific animation. But actually, I think I will keep it in the rig. That way, from class to class, all I got to do is put in a new rig component. And then the state machine works with any rig component, the camera component, poise component, the health component, all of these components, they are class agnostic. Um, yeah, I don't know. And so we've got these skills and we've got these different things. I can see, we've got this generic skill here. If we want to do something crazy with the mage class or whatever, we could just have like a specific skill and make a small little condition to where it's like we have skill and mage skill, but we'll cross that bridge whenever we get there, you know what I mean? This is shaping up to be pretty awesome. So I'm very happy with the flexibility, the modularity, and the scalability of this new system. Refactoring this character controller is one of the best decisions I've ever made because before it was not nearly this flexible at all. And now everything is just like drag and drop components. So what my plan is to continue to work on this and flesh everything out, flesh the AI and the enemies out, and then we're gonna drop everything back into the cool looking scene again with some more enemies, have some spawn points, and get a first little like mini demo out. Get, you know, people to share their opinions, what they think works, what they think doesn't work. But after I get that first demo out, I think that's whenever I'm going to take the break and start making a YouTube tutorial series to kind of document everything that I've learned and and build those tutorials in a modular fashion as well. But yeah, making some good progress. Making some good progress.